guys, back with another special video. Looks like it's some kind of freight train. This is a unique freight train, guys. Wow. Let me know if you've seen a freight train like this. I think this one's actually terminating here and then going back out about half an hour later. Yeah, because there's a little locomotive at the back as well, so we got to go and see what that one is. So we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. We'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, back. So you can see this is a unique freight train. What have we got on here? Looks like we got old rails, I think. This only just about fit the platform. This is how long it is. Looks like we're gonna have to go past the do not go past sign to get this locomotive at the back. So we'll gradually get down there, guys. Actually, the locomotive is not even on the can even fit on the station. I'm assuming it's another coalesced rail. Have you known a freight train to terminate at a station, guys? You have to let me know in the comments. You're gonna be naughty and go past it. Do not go past them to try and get this locomotive. Well, it's quite dark there, guys, but it is another coalesced rail at the back with the number 708010. Oh, is it? No, 7810 at the front. So that's unique. Oh, unfortunately the barriers will be down for quite some time until it goes back out, so we'll come back in a few seconds, guys, and hopefully the freight train will go back out. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, back, starting to move again a bit. I'm assuming that's because the train is not on the platform, unless it's heading out that way. To actually get a good vocal point of the locomotive at the back now. Right, so yeah, let's go back down there now and show you the locomotive at the back. This is quite funny, guys. I had to move up the platform even more to try and get it on so the barriers can go back up. But yeah, let's show you this locomotive at the back now. I may show you this freight train going back out soon. Yeah, so there you go guys, there's the locomotive at the back, 7810 like I said. Colas rail, Colas rail freight is quite popular down our way, so yeah, and there you go guys. I'll come back in a few seconds to hopefully see it go out, which I don't know when it will be, so I'll let you know. We'll come back in a few seconds guys. Okay guys, we're back. We finally got the freight train now leaving. I think it's quite unique for a freight train to actually terminate at a station. Normally you see them go through, don't you? So this is quite unique and different guys. So yeah, quite a different looking freight. There you go guys, then that's that long ass freight train that was. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, that's quite unique for a freight train to actually terminate at a station. Let me know in the comments if you've seen that, because that's the first time for me. So yeah, that's a freight train guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't normally do a video this long of a freight train, but I wanted to show you the freight train going back out. So yeah, like I said guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video guys. Cheers.